ODeX empowers customers with effortless invoice tracking and seamless payment information updates. Enter your username and password at www.online.odexglobal.com. To access the invoice dashboard, select the Invoice Dashboard option on the upper left corner of the screen. Navigate through the invoice dashboard to choose either single or multiple invoices for payment processing. Upon selection, you'll promptly see the invoice currency and corresponding amounts displayed on your screen. Simply click the Pay button to proceed with the transaction. Once you click on Pay, you will be directed to the Payment Details screen, offering you the flexibility to choose the PayCargo payment method from the drop-down. You will be able to access this screen to conveniently process payments using the PayCargo checkout option. Upon choosing the PayCargo checkout option, you will be redirected to the PayCargo screen, offering convenient payment choices such as credit card and PayCargo wallet. After completing the payment process, the customer will be redirected to the ODeX portal again, where the auto-generated ODeX reference will be available to view the payment details, and the system will also provide a confirmation message of the payment, as we are integrated with PayCargo. Once the payment process is done, you can access the payment information on the invoice dashboard. To access the payment information, click on the arrow icon next to the ODeX payment reference number and the payment details will be displayed. This completes the overall payment process using PayCargo.